Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about relational operators in Java. So basically, these operators are used to compare the values of two operands. What is the purpose of these operators? To compare the values of two operands. And these operators are also called as comparison operator. Fine. And the result of the comparison will be either true or false. It means Boolean value. After comparison, the result will be Boolean values, either true or false. So in Java, we have 6 relational operators, and the first two are this, double equal to and not equal to, and this is also called as equality operators. Fine, and it is applicable for every primitive data type as well as for objects also. Remember this point. And we have another 4 relational operators like smaller, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These 4 are only applicable for primitive data types except Boolean. In primitive also it is not applicable for Boolean data type, right? And it cannot be applicable for objects. Clear the difference between this two equality operators and this normal 4 operators? So these two are what? Applicable for every primitive data type as well as for objects type also. And this 4 is applicable for every primitive data type except Boolean and cannot be applicable for objects. I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. Fine. So now let's go and check the equality operators case. So this is the example I have taken for the equality operators case. So let me explain here itself. So this is what a class equality operator, then public static void main method. Then I'm declaring two variable and I'm initializing the variable a with 30 and the variable b with 40. So now a is equal to what? 30 and b is equal to what? 40. Fine. Now see the first case, system.out.println a double equal to b. So is 30 equal to 40? No, it is not equal, right? So you will get what in this case? False. Fine. Next case, system.out.println a not equal to b. So 30 is not equal to 40. Correct? So yeah, this is true. So you will get in the output true. Next, see here, system.out.println 10 double equal to 20. Is it true? No, false. How 10 is equal to 20? Not possible, right? So it is what? False. Next, system.out.println, this is what? Character B double equal to character C. Now tell me one thing. Okay, this is not equal. It will give you what? False. Because the ASCII value of B is what? 98 and C is what? 99. It is not equal, right? So you will get what? False. Next, this character B is double equal to, character B is double equal to, means equal to what? 98.0. Tell me, this is of what type? Double type. And this is what? Character. So first what will happen? Compiler will convert this into int. What is the Unicode value for this? 98. 98. Then it will convert this 98 to double type, 98.0. Then the comparison will take place. So 98.0 is equal to 98.0, right? So you will get here what? True. Next, see, true equal to true. Yes, it is 100% true. Because see here, it is applicable for Boolean type also. The equality operators, it is applicable for Boolean types also. So I hope this much is clear to you. So I want to show you the same output in the Eclipse so that it is confirmed to you also that I'm teaching you in a right way. So in the com.naveen package, last time we have developed this operators application. In the com.naveen, right click, go to the new and create one class named as equality operator. What is the class name in your program? Equality operators. So take it as equality operators. Fine. And I want one public static void main method also in this class also. Okay. For testing purpose you can take. No worries. Okay. So finish. You might be thinking that in the com.naveen I have two classes and in both the classes you have taken public static void main. Yeah, for testing purpose I can run any one class at one time. Fine. So I have copied this code here. So we don't want to do time waste. You can type. So pick it up, come here, paste it and format it. Everything is same as PPT. Now I want to run this. I want to validate the output. Run as Java application. See, false, true, false, false, true, true. See, false, true, false, false, true, true. In my case also. So is it fine? Equality operators clear? Now next is another four was there in the last four relational operators. Let's see that. So int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. So a is smaller than b, a less than b means 10 less than 20. Yeah, it's true. So you will get what? True as a output here. Means a boolean value. Next, a greater than b means 10 greater than 20. Is 10 greater than 20? No. So you will get what? False here. Next, a is smaller than equal to b. So a is smaller than equal to b. Hold on. Where it is? So 10 is smaller than equal to 20. It means what? It means either 10 is smaller than 20 or or 10 is equal to 20. Fine. Internally it means this. Okay. So tell me 10 is smaller than 20. Right. So you will get what? True here. You will get true here. Or 10 double equal to 20. No. So you will get false. In the OR operation, true or false is what? True. True or false is what? True. So you will get the output here as true. True. Fine. Next case. A greater than equal to 20. So 10 greater than equal to 20. Both the conditions are false. Not greater than also and not small equal to also. So you will get what here? False. Next. Character A is smaller than 98.9. Now tell me one thing. Character A is smaller than 98.9. First compiler will check the Unicode value. What is the Unicode value for this? 97, right? 97. So now it will convert the value. This is of what type? Int type. It will convert from int to double. So 97.0. And then comparison takes place. 97.0 is smaller than 98.9. Yes, it is smaller. So you will get what? True here. Next, see this. Character small a is greater than character capital A. Yeah, this is correct. What is the Unicode value for this? 97. What is the Unicode value for what? A capital A? 65. Am I correct? 65. So this is what? True. 97 is greater than 65. True. You will get what here? True. Let me check this also in this. So what you can do, you can take one another class, name the class as relational operators. I want main method in this also because I want to run this class individually. So here also main method is present. Now I have copied this code also here, copy this and paste here. Fine. Now run this. Now run this. Run as Java application. See, true, false, true, false, true, true. Go back, see. True, false, true, false, true, true. Pretty much clear. The concept is clear. Right. Now let's see the negative scenarios. So important points to remember about this greater than, smaller than or lesser than, greater than equal to or lesser than equal to. This four. I have mentioned that these four are not applicable for Boolean, not applicable for Boolean, but I'm trying to apply on Boolean. See, is false greater than true? I'm trying to do like this. So you know what will happen in this case? Tell me. Let me go to the notepad. In notepad, I have this operators class, operators file we have created already. So for this type of concept, always it is recommended to do practice on notepad and use uh, run using the commands on CMD, right? So system dot out dot print println. Now what is there? False is greater than true. I want to check this. Save this file, and where is this file located? Go to that location. In documents it is present. So open the CMD here. CMD. Try to compile Java C operators dot Java. See, you will get an error. Bad operand types for binary operator greater than. First type is Boolean, second type is Boolean. So it is not allowed. You can't apply on the Boolean data type. So you will get this compile time error. This point is clear. The next, I have mentioned that not allowed to apply for objects also. What is object? We will see later. Okay. For now, just remember this is not allowed for objects also. For example, a string is an object. Okay. So I have taken one string Naveen and another string is Naveen123, and I am trying to compare using this greater than, that Naveen is greater than Naveen123. Again you will get compile time error like this. Bad operand types for binary operator greater than. First type is a string and second type is a string. This first type is a string and second type is what? A string. It is not allowed. If you want, I can show you. See here. Pass the Naveen, and here also pass the Naveen123. Save this. Fine. Go to the CMD. Compiles one again. See, again the error came. Bad operand types for binary operator. Right. So I hope this much is pretty much clear to you now. Regarding objects, we will see how can we use the equality operators on object. We will see that thing later. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get further updates.